The stories, opinions, and wild takes shared by my guests are all theirs. I may nod along, sip my tea, or raise an eyebrow, but that doesn't mean I co-sign everything they say. This is a space for honest convos, not echo chambers. So, take what resonates, leave what doesn't, and don't at me.
We're just going to take a little stroll to one of my favorite areas in West London, which is the Old Final Factory. And it was a powerhouse of British manufacturing and innovation for much of the 21st century, from customer electronics to wartime production, and it was the world's leading research facilities when it came to electronics that had to do with sound and radio operation. I love looking at the street signs because it's an old tip to the different areas that they had. I mean, the factory was, much bigger back in its heyday. And it was once known as the Gramophone Company. Then it changed to his master's voice. So that's why they have these gramophones decked out around the area. And you may know this little logo. Nipper is a dog's name, and it was a real dog. The dog was born in sometime in the 1800s, and a painting was done of the dog peeking through a gramophone. So different, companies that dealt in music and sound and electronics adopted Nipper as their logo. So you've probably seen it around the HMV brand. I believe RCA also had Nipper as a logo too. And there were a lot of inventions created here at the Old Final Factory, both during World War I and World War II. The factory was repurposed to make, radios for the war. They also, discovered, enhancing sounds, for music, and a lot of short wave and long wave electronics as well. And around the area, there's different pictures of what the old factory looked like, and the different things that they made as well. So there, the gramophone and all the records. This was EMI's, headquarters. So if you have records, from the Stones or the Beatles, most likely they were pressed here at this factory. The building right behind me with the red bricks, it's still a fully operational vinyl factory, the Old Vinyl Factory. And I got to meet a really, really cool guy, Adrian, and he gave me a very impromptu tour. something I don't think you guys may get to see because it's not open to the public. But Adrian was so cool to give me a walk around. So come along and let's go check out the old vinyl factory.
People from all over the world that want their music on records, they place their orders with us.
And what label is it under? Is it still under the...
All various labels.
Oh, great. Wow. Sorry about that.
This is our testing room where we play the records.
So this is like how you test them out and everything to make sure that they sound okay?
They sound good, yes.
Okay, cool.
Record machine making a record.
That's so awesome.
Video along that bit there.
Okay. That is so cool.
And we also have another one here.
Oh yeah, thank you. Yeah, it's so cool. Oh my goodness.
Coloured ones.
What are these? Oh, the colored. Oh, wow.
So come around to the back here and you can see that's what records are made out of.
Oh my god, that is so cool. So what is the material that the records are made of?
Sucks up into there, goes into there, heats up, and it then comes out here, and it's going to push this along here. It's going to squeeze.
Wow.
And then the record there trim. I'm going to push it along.
So how old are these machines? So these are the original EMI. Wow, that's so cool.
The main bit where we press all our records here.
Okay.
Over here, I'll show you over there. So we get sent the music like this, comes to us like this. We then soak it in a bar, and then so when it comes out like that, and then we will then split them apart, and then it makes us a metal version of the record, which we then take in here. then we listen to the record in here, make sure we're happy with the sound. Once we're happy with the sound, we then give this, we put that back out there, and then we make more of these, and then that's what allows us to press the records.
That is so amazing.
I'll show you, I'll give you a whole walkthrough.
Yeah, that's great.
This is where they do the packing. You have the girls there packing.
Oh, cool. It's a little bit quieter in here.
This makes the, these make the sleeves.
Okay.
To make coloured records, we would come here and use these things to make our coloured records. As you can see, many different colours.
Do they like the artist
The customer would specify what colour they want, and then we would make them accordingly.
Cool.
That's the vinyl factory.
Thank you so much. Oh, this is amazing.